welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And this is part 2 of solving systems of equations by substitution. So we need to have a variable by itself so we can substitute or plug into the other equation. None of these variables are by themselves. What am I going to do? We're going to not panic. We are going to look and see if we can find a variable that has a 1 or a -1 in front of it. That is ideal. That is the one we want to solve for. Now, looking at this, I could solve for either of these variables right here or this y, and I would be okay. I might have to deal with fractions. We can do it. Ideally, I don't do that. I'm actually going to take the first equation, and I'm going to get the x by itself, because all I have to do is subtract 2y, and then I don't get any fractions in the equation. I could do it, I just don't want to. So then this is what x equals, so it's going to go right there. Remember, plug it into the other equation. I solved the first equation for y, so I have to plug it, or for x, I have to plug it into the second equation. Put parentheses around this. This is all of x. We need all of x to get multiplied by 3. It's going to be 24 minus 6y plus 4y equals 20. Combine like terms. We're going to be super duper careful. That's a -6 plus 4. That gives me -2y. Then we're going to subtract 24. We're going to divide by -2. And we've got y equals 2. Okay, but I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. I only have y. I still need to get x. You can plug it in right here, or you can plug it into one of the originals. I tend to go back to the originals just in case I made a mistake here. It kind of helps me catch my mistakes. So x plus 2 times 2 equals 8. X plus 4 equals 8. Subtract 4. And x equals 4. So I got 4, 2 for my answer, and I'm looking at my paper from when I did it earlier. That is my answer, but I highly encourage you to take 4, 2 and plug it in here and here. Make sure you get an 8. Plug it in here and here, and make sure you get a 20 on that side. Always go back and check, especially if you have time. If you're running out of time, like, just move on. But if you've got time at the end of your test or quiz, go back and plug it in and check it. Let's do another one. Alrighty, here's another one for us to solve. Now, technically, I can solve for any of these variables, but I'm going to solve for this first y so that I can avoid fractions, hopefully. So let's take that first one. 2x minus y equals 1. I'm going to subtract 2x. Divide everything by -1. So I divide this piece and this piece by -1. So this way I have a variable by itself. Then I can plug it into my other equation. Make sure you use parentheses. So then we distribute. Combine like terms. Now let's solve that. We're going to add 3. Divide by 10. And we get x equals 2. I'm not done yet. I still have to find y. So I'm going to plug it into either one of these equations. I'm going to do the first one just because it's first. 2 times 2 minus y equals 1. 4 minus y equals 1. Subtract 4. -y equals -3. Divide by -1. And y equals 3. So my answer for this one is x is 2, y is 3. I'm going to check my paper. Yes. So I did it earlier, so I checked it against my earlier work. If you're doing this on a test or a quiz, you want to take this x and y and plug it in right here and here. Make sure you get 1 on both sides. Here and here, make sure you get 17 on both sides. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We'd love to set you up with some tutoring sessions with our certified math teachers. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content when we post it. Have a great day.